The best form of istighfar, the best form of seeking forgiveness. It's called Sayyidul Istighfar, the master of seeking forgiveness. If you say it in the evening and you die, or you say it in the morning and you die, the Prophet ﷺ said, you are certainly from the people of Jannah. Allahumma anta rabbi, la ilaha illa ant, khalaqtani wa ana abduk, wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'tu, a'udhu bika min sharri ma sana'tu, abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya, wa abu'u laka bi dhanbi, faghfir li, fa innahu la yaghfiru dhunuba illa ant. O Allah, you are my Lord. There is no God but you. You created me and I am your slave. And I am abiding by your promise and your covenant to the greatest extent possible. I admit to you your blessings upon me, and I admit to you my shortcomings. So forgive me, because no one forgives sins except for you. So you have an admission of all the good that Allah has given to you, and an admission of the times that you've fallen short in your response. And the Prophet ﷺ said, if you say that and you die, you will be from the people of Jannah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us amongst them. Allahumma ameen.